Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a microSD card at the Samsung Galaxy A32 5G. Okay, what we need is next to the phone, the SIM ejection tool. If you put it back in the box, you will find it at this position here in the middle. So just remove the wings like this and you have it. Otherwise, if you don't have it anymore, then you could use also the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And with the edge of the pin or the SIM ejection tool, you just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At the first position here above, you will have always your SIM card. And on the second position, this is the place for the microSD card. In case if you are having the dual SIM version and you want to have a second SIM card, you have to decide between a second SIM card or a microSD card. So this second space here below is always for the microSD card. So put it like this so that everything is fixed. It has to look like this then at the end. And the contacts are below. So then after, you put it just back into your phone like this, and it's done. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.